Welcome back to the Investing for Beginners community. I'm your host, Johnny Insignias. In today's video, I am going to be discussing gold investing for beginners. And I will also be showing a quick guide to investing in gold. I'm going to show you 3 simple steps to get you started, including the benefits and risk of gold investing, diverse ways to invest in gold, and tips to help you get started. All that I ask is you smash that thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. So let's get into it, guys. Investing in gold can be a safe way to diversify your portfolio and protect against economic uncertainties. However, if you're new to gold investing, then it can be hard to know where to get started. So first, let's talk about the benefits of gold investing. Now, gold has been valuable and highly sought out for centuries. Now, owning gold in your portfolio can be great to hedge against inflation as well as deflation. Investing in gold can offer you several benefits, including diversification, which means gold can provide diversification to a portfolio of stocks and bonds and other assets, because gold often moves independently than other investments. It can be a great way to help you reduce your overall risk in your investment portfolio. Now, gold is often seen as a way to hedge against inflation because it tends to hold its value when the purchasing power of the paper currency declines. So when our dollar goes down, gold usually will stay at a standstill or at least hold its value when the dollar amount goes down. And then the third benefit of gold investing is the store of value that gold has. Now, gold has been used as a store of value for centuries because it is scarce, durable, and easy to transport, and again holds its value. The fourth benefit is having a safe haven asset to store your money when there is uncertain times, economic or political uncertainties, and usually investors will turn to gold as a way to hold their money and create a tangible asset that can hold its value through those tough times. So those are the 4 benefits of investing in gold. Moving on to the second topic for the Investing for Beginners guide to gold is ways to invest gold. Now, there are several ways to invest in gold, not just as a hard asset, but you could also exchange through stocks or ETFs, as well as some other cool popular ways to invest in gold. So each of these have an advantage and a disadvantage. Some of the most popular ways to invest in gold would be actually investing in physical gold. Now, physical gold would include coins, bars, jewelry, and while physical gold can offer a sense of security and tangibility, it can also be costly to store and insure and could set up a higher risk for theft or it being misplaced or lost than, say, holding it somewhere else. So yeah, physical gold is the first one. Now, the second one would be the exchange traded funds, or ETFs. Now, this is an investing channel, so this would make a little bit more sense. Gold ETFs are funds that invest in gold bullions and gold mining companies. Now, the ETFs can offer diversification, liquidity, and a lower cost than holding physical gold. But they can also come with some risk, such as counterparty risk and tracking errors, as well as small fees for ETFs as well. So make sure you look into each ETF individually before trading and buying and investing in those. So the third would be futures and options. Now, futures and options are derivative contracts that allow investors to buy or sell gold at a future date. If you go and check out Investing for Beginners community blog and check out this article, there is a link to the best ways to invest in gold without holding it on Investopedia, so you can go check that out. While futures and options can offer leverage and flexibility, they also come with significant risk, such as margin calls, market volatility. Very careful if ever trade with margin calls, and if you're curious as to what that is, I can make a video on that. Just leave a comment below. And the final way we will be talking about how you can invest in gold would be a gold mining stock. I love the stock market and I love investing money into the stock market, so I believe this is a great way, which probably will have a little bit more risk, but gold mining stocks are stocks of companies that mine gold. And now mining stocks or gold mining stocks can offer exposure to the gold market. They could also come with some risks such as operational and geopolitical risk. Now, not only do some mine companies mine gold, some mine silver, copper, aluminum, and many other materials. So do your research. You can get into some great gold mining stocks. I actually have some videos on gold mining stocks. There's one AUY, which is its ticker symbol, and I've been invested in that stock for many years. Started at about $1, and it's actually tripled my investment already. So finally, here we are at the tips for getting started. This is the third part on the quick guide to investing in gold for beginners. Now, if you are new to gold investing or new to investing period, these 4 tips are going to help you to succeed and help you to get started while hoping to reduce your risk and exposure to negative times in the market. So one is to do your research. For investing in gold, it is essential to do your research and understand the risk and potential rewards for each investment, whether it's through ETFs, stocks, physical gold, or even other means of investing. Now, it's always important to do your research, and if you're still watching this video, then congratulations, you're already on your way to doing more research on investing topics. Now, consider your investment goals. That's number 2. Before investing in gold, you must think about your investment goals, your time horizon, and your risk tolerance. Are you a short-term trader, day trader, swing trader? Are you a long-term trading and holding these companies long-term? Are you looking for monthly or quarterly income? Are you looking for growth and appreciation? You definitely want to know your goals, time horizon, whether it's 6 months, a year, 2 years, and then your risk tolerance. Now, there is a higher reward for a higher risk tolerance, but you need to be aware of what that is. You don't want to invest $1,000 on a high risk and lose 50% of that. So you want to invest on lower risk opportunities and do your research on all opportunities. Now, the third is to diversify. As with all investments, stocks, or if you're going to do real estate or gold or even businesses, you need to diversify with all your investments. Now, it is important to diversify to reduce overall risk. If you have 100% of your money into gold and gold flatlines, you can potentially lose lots and lots of money over the years by simply not putting it in the right spot. Or the value could go down and you can lose money that way. So diversify, I'd say about 5 or 10% in each sector or industry, and keep it very liquid. If you're talking $1,000 as a new investor, that's a lot of money. You don't want to lose a single dollar of that. Now, fourth, start small, guys. Start small. Consider starting with a small investment and gradually increasing your exposure to gold as you become more comfortable with the risk. Now, my simple method for everyone investing to start out as beginners would be to start with like $5 or $20, whatever you're comfortable with. Put it into a company, buy 1 share of the company. You don't have to buy 100 shares, just buy 1. Then you'll start getting updates on the share price going up and down. You'll get notifications on news. You'll be able to see a lot more information on this one stock because you'll have invested in it. And as you grow and learn more about that stock or company, then you can add more dollars as you can go. They have fractional shares. They have shares starting as low as a penny, $1, and they have great companies out there that aren't super expensive to buy. Even Amazon right now, I think, is around the $100 mark, so it's not crazy expensive. to buy one share of Amazon, which used to be a $2,000 company. Has potential to go up even more over time. And the biggest thing is just starting small. So guys, the conclusion, the summary of all this is gold has been valuable and highly sought out after thousands of years. Okay, gold isn't going anywhere, and owning gold in your portfolio can act as a hedge against inflation and deflation. There are several ways to invest in gold, each with its advantages and disadvantages. Before investing, it's essential to do your research and understand the risk and potential rewards. And that's where this channel comes in. Free education, free information. I love doing these videos, and so I just ask that you leave me a thumbs up and you subscribe if you haven't. I have a lot of topics coming up. I have a whole content calendar coming up, and I put videos out every Sunday morning at 10 a.m. Also, if you haven't signed up for our newsletter, sign up for our newsletter. Go to investingforbeginnerscommunity.com, throw in your email, and you can get our weekly newsletter, as well as never miss out on these blog posts and future YouTube videos. All right, guys, thank you. Let's get out there and make some good investments, and I will see you next Sunday, same time. Have a great day, and watch some of these other videos. Don't have to wait till Sunday to watch some of these other videos.